Take a moment to get comfortable, sitting with your eyes open, nice, soft focus. And when you're ready, take a few deep breaths, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you inhale, notice how your body expands. And as you exhale, notice how your body softens. With the next exhale, gently close your eyes if you feel comfortable and safe doing so. If not, soften your gaze to a spot on the floor just in front of you. Start to become aware of your other senses, feeling your body's contact with the seat or the floor. Feel the weight of your hands on your legs. And just take a few moments to settle into the space around you, noticing the different sounds, allowing them to come and go. As you bring your attention back to your body, notice how your body feels, starting with the top of your head and mindfully scanning down all the way to your toes. Notice what feels comfortable, what feels uncomfortable. At the same time, begin to notice the movement of your breath in your body, that rising and falling sensation. You might feel it in your chest, your stomach, your diaphragm. If you can't feel anything, gently place your hand on your stomach. Now just rest your attention on the rising and falling movement. Don't worry if your mind wanders. As soon as you realize it has wandered, just let go of the thought and gently bring your attention back to your breath. And bring your attention back to your breath. If you find it easier, you can count each breath as it passes. 1 with the rising sensation, 2 with the falling sensation, just up to a count of 10 each time, and then beginning again at 1. Each time your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Now, let go of your focus and begin to become more aware of the feeling of the weight of your body on your seat, and start to notice the space and sounds around you again. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Namaste.